Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, begin by flipping the base upside down. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Flip the base to the upright position. Next, you'll be working with the gas lift and cover. Firmly insert the gas lift into the base. Then, place the cover over the gas lift. Next, locate your seat cushion. The arrow on the mechanism indicates the front of the chair. Using the included M822 mechanism screws, hand thread the screws to connect your mechanism to the bottom of your seat cushion. With a Phillips screwdriver, firmly tighten each screw in an alternating cross fashion. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Next, we will attach the armrest. Your arms are labeled right and left. Align the screw holes on the armrest with the seat cushion screw holes. Do not fully tighten the screws at this point. Flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Do not fully tighten the screws at this point. Next, align the screw holes on the armrest with the screw holes on the backrest. Now, firmly tighten all your screws gradually in an alternating pattern. Firmly press the arm caps into the screw holes. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.